Well, welcome back to my channel. This is Modesty33 here, aka Crystal with the C, back at you with another video. But if you're new to my channel, you just happen to click on, check out some of my prior videos. I do sit downs, reactions, reviews. I do vlog videos, so if any of those things interest you, make sure you check that out, and before you leave, make sure you subscribe. So I try to put out at least 2 videos a week. Today is actually Thursday, November 1st, 2018. Happy November, everyone. I have not put out any videos yet this week. I've been lazy. I ain't gonna lie, I've been lazy, and now I'm getting to the busy part of the week, and I'm like, okay, I need to get my life together and my act together. So hopefully this video will go out today, and again, today is Thursday, November 1st, but if not, please forgive me. It will probably come out in the next few days. But I just want to do a few unboxings for you guys. I did purchase a few things in the past week. I know I see a lot of people now are doing like their Sephora haul videos because y'all all out there in VIB Rouges. I'm still in that in-between place. So I'm a VIB. So this is my weekend here. I'm not certain yet if I'm gonna buy anything due to some recent things that happened, but we'll see, we'll see. There are only a few things I wanted anyway, and so I'm not gonna talk about that now. I might, if I end up getting those things, I'll go ahead and unbox them and, you know, talk to you guys about that then. But these are just some items here that I got in the past few days, and I think I ordered them like last week because there were some good sales out. And again, like I say, y'all, you need to monopolize on these sales and these deals that come around these holiday times and stock up on the items that you need. So I bought items from Ulta, from Yankee Candle, as well as from Nordstrom. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox those for you and talk about each of them. So we're gonna start with this top box, which is from Ulta. Now Ulta had, along with Sephora releasing their holiday sale, and discounts for VIB Rouge and Insiders. Now Ulta also put out a coupon last week, at least I got one anyway. It was 20% off of all items in the store, including the prestige items. So definitely wanted to get on top of that, especially since I'm not in the 20% category with Sephora yet. I'm still in the 15% off category. So whatever I can get from Ulta at 20% is what I'm trying to do. So that's what I did. I just got a few boring items. It's nothing real exciting, y'all. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox these for you guys. So this is what it looks like. I still have the air paper and all in there. And if you're a bag lover like me, keep your air paper when you get packages and use it for your bag. So, all right. I just want to make sure I take out the invoice. Don't have any crazy information on there. So I only actually got like 4 items, and one of them is a sample product. And so the other 3 items are basically refills of stuff that I needed. And you know how a sale comes at just the right time when you're running out of something and you're like, man, I really need to go ahead and go to the store and get this. Then I was made aware of the 20% off that Ulta was having. So I was like, yes, I'm gonna go ahead and bite the bullet and do that. So first of all, let me show you what the sample item is. And it is something, looks like a Dior perfume from Ja Dior. Or is it? I don't know what this is. Oh, this is Clinique, actually. It is the Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. This is what this is. I'm probably not gonna use that, y'all. Let's see. I did see something here from Ja Dior. Oh, it's one of those like you can, you know, in a magazine or whatever and smell the perfume. So this is the Ja Dior in Joy. And funny enough, when I was in London last year, I thought about actually purchasing this perfume, but I didn't. So I really liked the smell of it at the time. I don't know if I love it enough to get it now. We'll see. I feel like I have enough perfume right now. So, but let me go ahead and show you the items that I got. So first thing, y'all know I talked about these in a 2017 favorite. So I got some more of these Philosophy Purity wipes. I use them to wipe off my makeup. I use them when I go out of town because, you know, it just gives your face a fresh, cleansed feeling. And so I do have a Clarisonic, and I use, you know, Philosophy moisturizer. Well, I use Philosophy cleansing gel for my Clarisonic, as well as the moisturizing cream for that as well. But when I go out of town, I don't like to take all that stuff with me. I just get afraid that like something is going to be pushed, my Clarisonic is just going to be on and the battery's just going to run out. I just have that fear. So I usually just take these cleansing wipes with me. They're very nifty and handy, and then I'll take like a moisturizer with me as well. So I got actually 2 packs of these. So these are 2 of the items that I got. So I have, I think 30 comes in each of these packs. They retail for $15. So now I have 60. So I'm really excited about that because I was running out of these. And then the last item is I was running out of my Purity moisturizer, or facial cleanser, should I say. And so I did get the 16 ounce of this because this was actually almost running out. So really glad about the sale. So I was able to get this 20% off. I think this retails for $36. So it does last for a while too, because I only cleanse my face with this 1 time a day. If I happen to go to the gym, I will use a wipe otherwise. So, because sometimes like I found when I've used a Clarisonic more than once a day, like it can be too much for my face. So usually if I'm doing a nighttime routine and washing my face, I'll use a wipe then. So yeah, that's all I got from Ulta, you guys. So nothing too exciting, but I'm excited I saved 20% off on that purchase though. So the next items I got were from Yankee Candle. Yankee Candle had, like, if you buy, you could buy 1, 2, or 3 candles and you would get that same amount free. So I did buy 2 candles from Yankee Candle and then got another 2 for free. So that's the deal that I monopolized on for Yankee Candle. So this is what they look like. And let me see what this says here. Thanks for much shopping with us. Take a sneak peek inside. We picked some special offers that we bet you'll like. I've never gotten this before. I don't know if it's just like a little booklet. So, oh, okay. Yeah, it's just some, yeah, they advertising different stuff. So it's nothing real important in here. All right, so we don't care about that. So I got essentially some oldies but goodies, so I didn't try out any new candles. I go with my tried and true. If it works, and that's just the bottom line. So I got 3 of these, and this is my favorite fragrance from Yankee Candle. This is the Midsummer's Night, and so I've been using this one for years. I actually have the car fragrance ones as well, and I actually got like a pack of, they had a sale last Christmas, I think it was either last Christmas or maybe the Christmas before. I think it was last Christmas. They had a sale on a pack of like 3 of the car jars is what they call them, and they usually retail for like $6 a piece, but they had like a special pack of 3 of the Midsummer's Night in there, and they were on sale for like $4. So that was a really big saving. So definitely look at Yankee Candle and go into the store around the holidays and see what you can get, because I got like 3 of those packs that had 3 a piece of the car jars in there. So I got 9 of them, and it was like $12 when originally 1 car jar is $6 a piece. So these candles right here though, these large ones retail for I think like $27.99. So I did again purchase 2 of them, and then I got the extra 2 for free. So I got 3 of the Midsummer's Night, and then I got 1 of the Moonbeams on Pumpkins. And I talked about this one in my 2017 favorites video as well. So I do really love this fragrance, but you know, Midsummer's Night just tried and true. So I elected to get 3 of the Midsummer's Nights and then 1 of the Moonbeams on Pumpkin. So that's all I got from Yankee Candle, y'all. So we again are moving right along. So the last item I got was from Nordstrom. And I'm sorry, I'm just tossing things to the side, and it's in this box right here. Now with this particular item, I did see a video from Minks for All, and that's Minnie that I do subscribe to. She has really awesome reviews and videos, and I love her Minks Mondays, where she talks and answers questions about handbags, luxury, and other things. So she did a recent Nordstrom haul video about some items. She had a partnership with Nordstrom, and she talked about some items that she did purchase, and I saw this particular item and I was just like, wow, like I really would love to, you know, have it. It looked really nice, and it was the first thing that I saw that really was striking to me. So you know, I basically justified it because I need this item anyway because of the colder weather. So that just kind of gives you a hint to what it is. So if we open it up here, whoop, whoop, let me show you guys what everything looks like. It is a coat, and it is a coat from Kenneth Cole. I'm not familiar too much with Kenneth Cole. I've heard of Kenneth Cole before, but you know, I don't do too much with Kenneth Cole or anything like that. I don't think I actually have any Kenneth Cole items. But yeah, it is a coat, and I was conflicted about getting the coat though because I didn't know what size to actually get. Because, you know, when you get a coat, like, you want something that's gonna, you know, fit you nicely, but you also, for me too, like, I'm looking for a coat that I can wear stuff underneath because, again, I'm wearing the coat because it's probably cold. So I want, you know, a coat that's gonna keep me warm, and I want to wear like layers underneath, but I don't want the coat to feel tight when I'm wearing those layers. So just you know, I was kind of conflicted about, you know, what size to get because a lot of people said different things about the sizing. But I ended up getting this gray Kenneth Cole jacket in the size medium. So I was gonna get a large, but people said that it actually is bigger than what the size says anyway. And I was looking at, you know, Minnie and the way hers fit, as well as other people's reviews and, you know, how they said it fit as well. So this actually looks pretty good. So it has these big silver buttons, and that's what I really liked about it too. And on the inside, it just has this nice, let me unbutton it here, has this nice satin lining. So I don't live near Nordstrom, but I am gonna be going somewhere next week for work where there is a Nordstrom nearby. So if I need to, I can go ahead and return this if it don't look right. But yeah, this is it right here, and it is again in the size medium. It is a Kenneth Cole Bush coat. I don't actually know what it's called. I'll you know, again, put the description of it below so you guys are aware. And so I'm gonna go ahead and try it on for you guys, and we'll see how everything's looking. Please excuse, you know, me looking a little whatever today. But I am on the way out the door soon. But it's kind of like, it's really weird because the weather has been very warm here this week. But then at the same time, like, I think it's supposed to rain tomorrow, so it's supposed to be like a bit cold. So we'll have to see. Okay. So let's see. It's good around the arms. Let me stand up. I have to look in the mirror and see how I really like it. But yeah, this is kind of how it fits, you guys. If I buttoned it up, it would look like that. So I actually really like the fit of it right now. I have to play with it a little bit more again and kind of see what I think about it. But it looks like a nice professional warm coat. So I really actually do like the size of this one. So I was really worried about it because I didn't know if it was going to be like huge or enormous. So, but I actually really like it. So let me see if I can find what it's actually called. But yeah, it originally retails at Nordstrom for $228, but I was able to get it on sale for like $139, I think. So, and it was like a 35% off sale. Yeah, it doesn't actually say the title of it on here, so I'll put it in the description, you guys. But anyway, that's everything that I got from my haul, or unboxing, whatever you want to call it. So if I do end up getting some items from Sephora, I'll definitely come back to you with that. It's not going to be no huge haul. It's probably just going to be maybe 2 or 3 items, and they'll probably be lip products because I use sale time as an opportunity to try out new lipsticks. So it ain't gonna be nothing exciting, y'all, but I'll still do a video for those of you who enjoy that, and we'll see if I end up getting anything, and if I do, what I do get. So anyway, guys, I thank you so very much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this. If you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and also make sure you share this with anyone else who enjoys haul videos, wants some ideas as far as what to get from Ulta or Yankee Candle for sale items. Also, make sure you definitely subscribe to my channel. You do that again by hitting that red button below and hitting the bell next to it so you're notified when I do upload future videos, which again, I try to put out at least 2 videos a week, but sometimes I am unsuccessful. But I thank you guys so very much for being patient, and thank you to all my new subscribers out there, and for all of you who've been commenting on my videos. Do be expecting some more reaction videos coming out. I am in the process of editing, so if those of you who do watch my reaction videos and my other sit down videos, be expecting those as well. But again, guys, I thank you so very much for watching. I will see you in my very next video. Bye.